It's Mr. KB here. I'd like to give you a quick video reminder of how to create pie charts and bar graphs in Google Sheets. Let's start with the simpler one, the pie chart. And for this, we'll say hair colors. Let's make sure I'm selecting hair colors in 7B. And if you'll permit me for this demonstration, I'm just going to make up some numbers here, okay? So we'll say black hair, blonde, brown, red, and bald. All right. So we'll say 1 bald, 2 red, maybe 5 brown, 3 blonde, and that gives us a total, if I look in the bottom left corner, of 11. So let's add another 15 here. Black. Okay. Now we want to select one of the corner cells and then hold down the shift key and use the arrows to select all the cells in the data set. Now we're going to go up here to insert and insert chart. And it should create a pie chart. Now if you want to change the colors of the slices, you can go over here to customize and pie slice. And you can start changing the colors by selecting the colors we talked about. Let's do brown. And I've got to get rid of that red. It's green right now. That doesn't make sense. And bald. Okay. Now, very important, if you want to save your graph, and actually before we do that, we should give this graph, this pie chart rather, a title. So I'll go back to customize and chart and axis titles. Chart title will say hair colors in 7B. Okay, so it appears right here. And we can even change the font here. Make that a little larger. We can change, I think we should be able to change the color. Yes. And the font, yeah. Okay, so we can do all of those things, and very important, we can save or download this chart as a PNG. And so when we do that, then we have it in our Google Drive, right? And then we can use it in Google Docs or Google Slides or elsewhere, wherever we want to display the data. So that's pie chart. Now let's go to bar graph. And we'll say drinks of water consumed per day. Now, I know I'm using the same examples that I used in class. Bear with me, all right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We'll focus on 3 days. And I'm going to double click these lines just to resize the columns a little bit. And maybe let's underline these cells. Control U. And let's make up 3 names here. Not Borat, Bob, Clara, Devin, Eduardo. All right. And let's just fire in some numbers here. We don't have to overthink the numbers too much. 3, 4, 6, 4. And then 6, 4, 3, 2, 3. And then 2, 4, 5. This is a larger drinking day, okay? And 8. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to select all the data, and we're going to insert chart. And it should make a bar graph. Lovely. Now, I don't like this title, right? That is not going to be a good title for our science project board. So I'm going to change that by selecting the 3 dots, edit chart, and go to customize and chart title. So we're going to say drinks of water consumed per day. All right. And just the same thing as in the pie chart, we can change the color, we can change the size. Let's go 36. That's too big and chunky. We'll go to 30, and maybe we'll change this to Georgia. All right. And then, same thing again, we can download this image, which is very important. You want to be able to use this elsewhere and display it in your science fair project. Okay, we're at 5 minutes. I'm going to leave it there. Let me know if you have any questions, and hopefully that helps you in your quest to represent the data you recorded in your science fair project.